As a digital forensic technician at SciTech, I take all the cases in, analyse the devices, double check them and make sure they're compliant, and prepare them for analysis and imaging. So when I was younger, I was obsessed with crime TV, movies, anything where they find the bad guy. And then once I realised you could actually work as a digital forensic technician handling these cases, I figured that would be the perfect job. The course was so friendly and the teachers were so supportive and so honest about what the industry is really like. It really prepared me. At USW, I engaged a lot with the industry because they had a lot of guest lectures and networking events where we actually met people from the industry. We did CyberX, which was a big networking event where lots of companies from industry came in. They gave us all their contacts and just networked with us basically, and that's how I found out about SciTech. My favourite thing about the course was some of the units and the way they were delivered. They were so communicative and not just like, you're going to learn this. It was very applicable. My name's Charlie. I work for SciTech. I'm a digital forensic technician and I study digital forensics at Masters at USW.